there is a sell opportunity right now on EURUSD, and that is what I'll be talking about in this very video, and also usdjpy. Market is still coming back to the downside, and there is something you need to pay attention to on this very chart. All of these in this very video. So let's dive right into the details. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. On EURUSD 1-day chart, I talk about the market moving downward. That is, after this very movement to the upside, market move impulse, we have retracement here, market creating new high, which is an impulsive move. Market have to retrace before next movement to the upside. And you can take advantage of this very retracement coming to the market at this very point and trade for a sell opportunity on the 4-hour chart, okay? Because if we see this retracement coming in on the 1-day chart, it means that the 4-hour chart can be tradable, okay? So we can counter trade this very movement to the downside, and that is what you need to do right now. Don't take a buy position yet, okay? So at this very point, market come back down from this very area on the RSI indicator. Market nearly enter into the overbought condition at this very point and then begin to come back to the downside. So it is a sign that market is going to come back down before the next move to the upside. And then if you look at it very well, markets have not come into this very area for about a month plus now. The last time we see market came into this very point is this very zone right at this very area. This was December last year, and then since then market came close at this very point and at this very area. So right here, market is going to come back down. That is my own expectation, and you need to look at the market in this perspective. So trade in direction of the prevailing trend, okay? So the prevailing trend right now is pointing upward on the 1-day chart, but on the immediate short term, if you look at the 4-hour chart, market is coming back down, okay? And this is a nice sell opportunity for me. You see, a breakout at this very point of support, and then after this breakout, market is coming back to the downside. And I talk about this very divergence that appear on the chart. From this very level, market move upward. This is a bearish divergence from here. Market come back to the downside, and then as you can see, market is coming back down, okay? I am not expecting this very move to last very long in the market, but it's going to last for few moments before it's going to begin to move to the upside. So key things to look out for right now on the chart is the market moving downward. So pay attention to shorting the market on the 4-hour chart. So from here is a nice place to short the market from. I believe that market is going to move into this very level of support in the next coming days in the immediate short term, and this is what I am expecting right now. So taking a short position or a sell position is the right thing to do right now on EURUSD 4-hour chart. Very important. On the 4-hour chart, shorting the market after this breakout we see right here is a nice thing to do to the downside as market retraces significantly on the 1-day chart. So on the 4-hour chart, think of taking a sell position, and your sell position should go in line with this structural formation. So if we break this level of resistance, which is coming back down, then I am going to change perspective from selling on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so we should maintain this very level of resistance right now. And then on the RSI, if I see the market begin to move upward, that means if this come back a little bit and then begin to move upward and break this line of resistance, then I will consider this very movement to the downside to be over. That means market is going to begin to move all the way upward. Therefore, I will begin to change my perspective about the market. But in as much as we are still under this very trend line, that means the RSI line right here is still below this very resistance trend on the RSI, I am still going to look for sell opportunity as the RSI move into the oversold condition. That is why it is nice for you to short the market downward other than buying the market right now on the 4-hour chart. So pay attention to selling the market on Euro USD while we wait for the market to break out on this level of resistance on the RSI indicator, and also on this level of resistance on this resistance trend line on the 4-hour chart Euro USD, for us to change perspective from selling the market to buying the market. So wait for it to align with your strategy for you to take the trade accordingly for sell position. And on the USDJPY, I told the market is going to come back down for a significant move, and that is what we are seeing right now. That very move is still in progress. I am still expecting market to come back to the downside. On the 1-day chart, market is still going to come back to the downside on the RSI indicator to this very level of oversold condition on the RSI indicator. And if you take a look at the 4-hour chart, which means market is still going to come back down. Look at it here. Market is still going to come back down. But something very important right now is that we are seeing the market begin to have reduced momentum to the downside. So from here, market come back down, and then we have retracement, come back down, could not create a new low, which is very important for us right now. But at the moment, we are still in a downtrend for a downward movement. On the RSI indicator, pay attention to this, guys. This is very important. If you draw this trend line from here to this very area and then extend it a little bit further, you discover that the market is about to move upward. What I am now paying attention to on the 4-hour chart USDJPY is the market breaking on the RSI resistance trend line. So once I see the market move upward on the RSI indicator and break this resistance trend line, I will change my perspective from selling the market to the downside to buying the market for market to move upward. And as at that time, we should see the market create a new high higher than this very level on the chart right now. So market should move upward, and once we see a new high creation and a breakout of this resistance trend line, then market is going to begin to move upward on the 4-hour chart USDJPY. This is what you need to pay attention to right now, guys, for you to be in the right direction of the market on this very chart. Support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. Please don't forget to check the channel and follow the link if you've not registered with any broker, and follow the recommended broker in the description of this very video. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you next time.